In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Steam profile. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what each option does, and how to make your profile look the way you want. First, open Steam on your computer or use the Steam website if you prefer the browser. Make sure you're signed in. In the top right corner, click your username. From the drop-down menu, select View Profile. This takes you to your public profile page, the place other players see when they visit you on Steam. Now, let's enter edit mode. On the right side of your profile page, click Edit Profile. This opens all the customization options in one place so you can move through them without jumping around. Start with the General section. Here you can change your profile name, also known as your display name. This is what your friends will see, and you can update it anytime. You can also add your real name if you'd like, but that's completely optional. Choose your country and write a short bio or summary. Keep the summary friendly and concise, and avoid sharing personal information you wouldn't want publicly visible. Next is your avatar. This is your profile picture. You can upload a custom image from your computer or pick from Steam's built-in avatars. A clear, square image works best, and you'll get a preview so you can adjust the crop before saving. Choose something that represents you while following Steam's community guidelines. Move on to profile design. Here you can set your background image, choose a theme color, and if available on your account, select a mini profile style. Backgrounds typically come from items you've earned or purchased, and they add a lot of personality. The theme color adjusts accents across your profile, and the mini profile style changes how your quick hover card looks in friends lists and chats. Take a moment to test combinations so your text stays easy to read. If your Steam level is 10 or higher, you'll see showcases. These let you feature achievements, favorite games, artwork, screenshots, and more. Pick a showcase that highlights what you're most proud of. You can usually reorganize or select which items display within each showcase, so curate it to tell your story at a glance. When you're happy with your changes, scroll down to the bottom and click Save. Your updates apply immediately. Give your profile a quick review, refresh the page if needed, and tweak anything that doesn't look quite right. That's it. Your Steam profile is now updated and ready to share.